Well, we're back. It's been a little while. What's this do? Push that button. Yeah. So, Sean, the WOG painter, is up on top of the 69 Bluebird Inn, putting some epoxy primer on it. We blasted it. We got some video of that. We'll get it all online here pretty quick. And now Sean's, he came down to help me out. He's a real painter, and so he's putting some epoxy primer on there. And once we get that done, we're just gonna let it sit a little while because I got too many things going. But I had an opportunity to rent a dustless blaster and get my son-in-law to do the work. So that's what we're doing. Let me turn this around and get Sean. Sorry about that. Yeah, my camera holder is a little crooked. You'll get over it. Yeah, let's see if I can straighten it up. It's probably gonna fall on the ground. Yeah, turning. I don't know. I guess it's working. To hold that. All right, that's the second cup of paint. I don't know if this thing's recording or not. It went pretty far, really, one cup. I don't know how much we're gonna do today. Gonna try to get it all in prime today and tomorrow. Weather's good, cold in the morning, but we heat gunned the body and it was 120 degrees. So that'll make that paint cook off and we'll be good. All right, I'm gonna get out of the picture so I don't scare everybody. You know, this is not gonna be a perfect body by any means. It was not perfect when Bluebird built it. And you know, it was built in '69. And that was the infancy of Wanderlodges and all that. So as long as it's as nice as it was when it came out of the factory, it'll be fine with me. It's old and it's got a few dents and dings, and it'll have a few when we're done. But it's gonna be shiny, and that's all that matters, and it's cool to keep the old girl on the road. This is the original Super C's, back before there was even a C-class motorhome. 1969, I don't think there was any C's, but there wasn't any Super C's for sure. This is the original. It's gonna be better than new with a Cummins. A 5.9 Cummins, 6-speed Allison, air ride, alloy wheel. It's really gonna be cool. There's only 2 roof vents up there now, and it had an air conditioner in the middle. I hadn't checked the other 2 holes to see if they had air, but there's power to the middle one. And I have new fantastic vents, you know, powered up and down with fan and all that to go in 2 of the holes. And I have an air conditioner on it. We may put 2 airs on it. I don't know. I don't know. I do have 2 old classic vintage roof airs. I'd like to put them on there just because they'll look the right part. Well, we'll see if they work. This bus never had a roof rack that we could tell, or a ladder. And some of the Bluebird Inns did have. I've seen it in pictures. This is Southern polyurethane we're using.
After I get this roof back end done, we'll pull it up.
Pull it up?
Yeah.
Get the sun?
Yeah.
We're trying to keep the bus in the sun to keep the body warm, because it's, I don't know what it's 60 maybe?
Yeah,
maybe.
Cold this morning.
And it was 30 this morning. So trying to keep as warm as we can, as long as we can. Southern polyurethane. Never heard of it before. Sean started coming around here doing some paint work, and he loves it, and everybody that I've talked to that has used it loves it. So that's what we got. All right, we're gonna pull it forward now to keep the back in the sun, or keep it out of the shade at the very least. We're gonna put 2 coats on it. 2 coats on this side today, and tomorrow we'll put another coat on the top, and I don't think we'll get to the other side today. I don't know. It's in the shades. We really need to turn the bus around to get that side warm. The paint likes it better. We'll see. I'm not gonna use those windows anyway, so we're not too concerned about taping them off or anything. We have some what I call fast windows that are like in my 71, and we're gonna put we have 4 windows. We're gonna put 2 in the bedroom, 1 on each side of course, and 1 on each side of the living room, and we're gonna change that little window in the door to a bigger window with frosted glass that came out of a bathroom on a Ford control. Maybe an early PT, same window, I'm not sure, but it'll fit the door fine, and it'll be an opening window, you know, and it never hurts to be able to open a window. And I wish I had a little round porthole window for it, but I don't. But I may be able to figure that out. But the plan today is put that FC bathroom window in it. We'll see. The 71 I have that we restored in the building there, it has a round porthole window in the door. You know, it's just cool. It's just cool. If I could get the rubber in round, we could do the metal work and get a round piece of glass cut. Of course, it wouldn't open, but it would still have a round window. Well, we might do that. You never know.